Hi there, I'm Gwen Keneally from Back to the Kitchen, a Hollywood catering company. So today we are going to decorate a cake. Now, normally when you do a cake, you think about it as it being perfect. And with Pinterest and Facebook and all these visuals of these perfectly decorated cakes, sometimes it doesn't always work out that way. So this particular cake did not turn out very perfect. In fact, it's all cracked and not very appetizing. But using a few things from this beautiful garden, I'm going to make this cake look absolutely extraordinary. So the first thing I'm going to do is frost it with some chocolate buttercream. This is a real nice, consistent buttercream frosting. I'm going to use a spoon and I'm going to drop a bunch just right in the center. So you don't have to worry too much about how the frosting comes on, because using all things from this garden, it is going to be absolutely gorgeous. All of the colors are really earthy, kind of almost like dirt. It's a beautiful chocolate buttercream, but it's kind of got that of the earth color. Okay, so I'm going to take my spatula and kind of smooth it out a little bit and give it a nice texture. Kind of smooth it up, smooth it around. It's so much fun to play with your food. I would take some things like this beautiful orange flower and maybe kind of pull it apart a little bit. So we're going to kind of scatter it like a field, daisies in the field, you know. When you do a cake like this, you get so many compliments because people think it is the most spectacular thing, and yet it is so easy. So then I want to get a little color. I might put it kind of in the midst. And I think this is gorgeous for the center. Then we'll kind of put a few around. And then I would put maybe a strawberry on the side. So now we've tied in strawberries. And then I would take my microplane and put a little bit of lemon just right on the cake. It gives it a fresh, perky flavor and also gives it a little bit more texture. This is so much fun. Isn't it amazing what you can do with just the beauty of nature? So this is my imperfect, perfect garden cake.